Hey, what's up, you guys? Oh man, it's good to see you. Dang, thanks for coming out. Dude, you didn't have to bring the camera.
Yeah, you got your guitar. Where's your guitar? You told us to come shoot.
Oh, no. Damn, that is probably my bad. Things have changed a lot for me over the past few months, and yeah, I don't do that anymore. So I'm working HR at Vivid Entertainment, like a junior HR assistant. Man, it's really a handful, but it's cool. It's like a big boy job. It's like real stuff. No like goofy music dreams or like any like goofy internet shit or stuff like that. I got a 401k, I got dental. It's like really, really solid health insurance, like very solid. Man, things are great. I got this sick desk. Got wrestling legend Marty Jannetty. This is family heirloom. No, that's just, that's one of those home theater, like a 70s kind of entertaining thing. Anyway, whatever, we got some art. Stuff is going great. Honestly, like I'm having a super, super good time. Oh, no, dude, I don't do that anymore. Everything's different, it's better now, you know? I just want to say what's up to you guys. You know, we're friends, and I know I haven't seen you in a long time because we haven't been doing any music stuff together, but you know, I just thought you'd come down, hang out, we can grab lunch.
This doesn't really seem like you, man. I think we got the wrong guy. I gotta be honest. This doesn't feel right.
No, it's cool. This is like growing up. I'm still in the entertainment industry. I'm just boxing DVDs, folding T-shirts. It's cool.
I don't think I can watch you.
What? Where's the beef? There's no beef. My guys, my beautiful boys, don't go.
Should I back up? Zach, we should go.
No, we can still hang. It's cool, we're just friends. We don't have to like be working on something.
Yeah, Zach, I'll see you in the car. Okay.
Damn, dude, that was really weird. Not what I expected from my friends.
Oh shit, forgot the camera. Here, I think you need this more than I do.
Family heirloom. Haven't been doing any music stuff together, but Zach, you cretin.